peonies usually bloom on Memorial Day, and here are my peonies, and these are my favorite one. Look at these yellow centers and the red pink blossoms. These are almost done. You can see some of the blooms are starting to fade away, but as far as I'm concerned, peonies are one of those plants you can have in your garden and just do nothing to them, and they just keep going and going and going year after year after year. And when I planted these, I don't think I took any special care at all. Peonies are some of the easiest plants to take care of, and just dig a hole and put them a little bit below the soil, maybe a few inches deep or so. And when I transplant them, it's the same. I just dig up a clump of them and move them somewhere. And I think they like a lot of light. And one of the bad things you can do to them is get a lot of water on the leaves when they're in the shade. I have some over here on the other side of my garden that I'll show you here in a little bit that are in kind of the shade. When I planted them, there was a lot of sun there, but this maple tree grew over them and they're kind of shady now. So when you water them, in fact I don't water that area much at all, but one year I was watering them quite a bit, and they're in the shade and they get mold on the leaves. You do need to keep the leaves dry if they're not in full sun. And other than that, I've done very little with these peonies, and they just do fine year after year after year with very little trouble at all. And here's the peonies on the other side of the garden. They're in the shade, and look how well they do even in the shade. When I planted them here, there was nothing else here. Not the ground cover of Vinca minor that you see, not the hostas growing all around them, absolutely nothing but grass. And the soil was very hard packed when I dug them up, because nothing else had been planted there but old grass and weeds. And after all these years, 30 years ago actually, no longer than that, they are still just growing fine right here. So the only problem I had that one year was the leaves got moldy, and that was because I was watering from overhead. But if you do water them, water from the roots, not on the leaves, because they're shade. The ones that are in full sun, these beautiful ones with the yellow centers, I've never had any problems with them, and they've not been there that many years as the ones on the far side have. But then the ones over here are my absolute favorite anyway. Okay, so that's the peonies in my garden, and I would call them the most easy to grow, trouble-free plant in your garden. Just give them soil with a lot of organic material, and these are in this side of the garden do get a lot of water, but they're also in a lot more sun. So that's my peonies, and if you like my video here, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Gardening in My Yard on YouTube, and I will talk to you again sometime, and thanks a lot, and goodbye.